Hello friends, today we are making yeast fertilizer. Yeast is a single cell fungi. It's a microorganism. It is responsible for raising the dough in the bread and has no negative impact on your health. It is an excellent alternative to chemical-based fertilizers. The natural fertilizer made of yeast will stimulate the growth of the plants, stimulates blooms, and reinforces the root system. You know that more blooms equals more fruits. It makes it easier for plants to absorb water and minerals from the soil. It also limits the presence of bad microbes that lead to root system diseases and protects against fungal diseases. Since yeast is a fungi, we are fighting bad fungi with beneficial fungi. These fertilizers can be used for vegetables and fruit bushes. Okay, in order to make the yeast fertilizer, we're going to use half a gallon of warm water, which is about 3.8 liters of water. You can also use 4 liters as 1 gallon. So we're putting, this will be 2 liters or half a gallon. Then we'll put a funnel. If you don't have a funnel, you could use, you could cut a water bottle and put 4 tablespoons of the yeast. Then we'll add 4 tablespoons of sugar. I use brown cane sugar because white sugar has some chemicals in it. Four. Then we're going to mix it, shake it and mix it well. Now we're gonna leave it for at least 24 hours. You could leave it a little more, up to 1 week. Usually leave it like 24 hours to like 36 hours. And don't put the cap on it because it needs to breathe. And then you put a bucket over it so that you will protect the fermentation, and also it doesn't get the ultraviolet rays from the sun. It's been about 36 hours since we let it ferment the yeast. Shake it well. Put the half a gallon of the yeast mixture in a bucket. I'm making 4 gallons. So now we're going to add 3.5 gallons of warm water. Okay, so this is 1 gallon. Two gallons. That's 3 gallons. And half a gallon. So we have 4 gallons of the yeast fertilizer that we just made, which is equal to about 16 liters. Now we'll give it to the plants. Mix it. So we are going to give 1 cup to each plant. You put it on the bottom of the plant. The plants, they need nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Yeast fertilizer contains sufficient nitrogen, but not enough phosphorus and potassium. So it's good to add some more fertilizer later, but don't add the other fertilizers at the same time. Wait about 1 or 2 weeks. I give the yeast fertilizer at the beginning of when the plants are little tall, when they're growing in the spring, and then I give it to them again every month.